Hindi nakapagpigil ng emosyon ng ina ng social media influencer na si Eman Atienza nang alalahanin ang araw ng kanyang pagpanaw.
Emma, the moment I found out, that we lost you, it was the deepest pain. I ever felt it. Eman, you are my sunshine. You are my love. You are my everything. And one day we will be together again. I love you.
Ito ang unang pagkakataong nagsalita si Felicia Atienza, misis ni Kuya Kim Atienza, tungkol sa pagkamatay ng kanilang bunso. Bukod sa talented, intelligent at may mataas na EQ, natatangian niya ang pagiging authentic ng bunso.
The most outstanding feature and characteristic of Eman was her authenticity. Eman shared her stories openly. She shared her pain. She shared her struggles. But she also shared her joy. And that resonated deeply with many people. She always had space for others, even in her darkest moments.
Emanski, my little Emanski. Call her Emanski.
Nagbahagi rin si Kuya Kim ng mensaheng natanggap mula sa isang Indonesian student na tulad daw ni Eman ay may iniinda ring mental health issues at na-inspire ng kanyang anak.
But I hope it brings you some kind of solace that I will continue to live in honor of your daughter and will do everything in my power to keep it that way.
Lubos na nagpapasalamat ang pamilya Atienza sa pakikiramay, pagmamahal at messages of support na kanilang natatanggap. At hanggang sa huling gabi ng burol ni Eman, muling dumagsa ang mga nakiramay. Kabilang ang mga kilalang personalidad tulad ni Iya Arellano, Faith De Silva, Zorin at Mavi Legaspi, gayon din ang mga kasamahan ni Kuya Kim sa GMA Integrated News.